4-tab books. I'm going to choose to make my 3 and 4-tab books with a hot dog fold. You can decide how you want to do it. Basically, a 4-tab book would be, again, doing your little pinch here, and your little pinch here, and your little pinch here, and cutting up to the tab. And your 3-tab book would be envisioning a trifold and making your pinches and cutting in. And I know that sounds sort of abstract, so I've pinched, 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 and now I'm going to cut. We were laughing when we did this workshop. How many of you are the Captain Kangaroo era? I am. Do you remember when he asked you to get your scissors and your construction paper? Oh my gosh. And I thought, I'm finally in the Captain Kangaroo role of telling you to get your scissors and your paper and cut, cut, cut. I always felt so important when I used construction paper because it was such a big word. Okay, so did everybody see how I pinched and cut and I have my 4 flaps? So Ellen demonstrated there's 4 flaps. Oops, those are the 3 flat ones. Sorry. Solids, liquids, and gases.
It's the same idea, 3, 4, 5, 10. It's just the basic concept of it.
4 tabs could be seasons.
Moon phases.
Pardon?
Moon
phases. Yes, gibbous moon and all those other little moons that they have to remember. And they have to remember those for SOLs.
3-tab yesterday with rural, urban, and suburban.
Oh, rural, urban, and suburban. Nice. The 6-tab book. We are not going to make you labor through these unless you really choose to, because we'd like to kind of get through and show you our templates. If you choose to, you can go ahead and make them. How many of you would like to go ahead and just make one and tack it in your notebook? Okay, then we're going to power through. The 10-tab book. And you know what? You don't have to make this one, but we do have a sample of it because we want to show you how complex these books can be. They are not just for babies. They are not just origami for kids to occupy them. They can be used as a very, very specific tool to show very specific and complex information.
This is a double one. This is actually a double 10-tab, which we have an example of. But the basic 10-tab can look like this. This is the Bill of Rights. And it has each amendment on a tab. And underneath it is just a simple explanation of what it is. Again, it's just a basic fold. It's the same thing that we folded a few minutes ago, right? We folded it over in a hot dog, and we left the label at the bottom. Again, the only difference is this one we cut 10 tabs. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is a template for it, so you don't have to figure out how to get 10 even. Yeah, you see, 10 blind taps are totally even, so there's a template for it, so don't worry.
How many of you guys are middle school teachers? Middle school history, anybody? Those interactive notebooks?
Yes.
Aren't you seeing some possibilities here?
And we do have some resources for you. History Alive has a lot of high school and middle school things.